Hi, everyone. This is Ashley Toth with Remax Heritage, and I am the author of Living Westmoreland. Today, we have Kate Ferry Dawson from the Ferry Dawson Insurance Group. Hi, Kate.
Hi, thanks so much, Ashley.
Thanks for coming on. So, if you haven't viewed any of our other videos, please head over to YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram at Living Westmoreland, or check out Kate's Facebook or Instagram accounts, and you can find the previous videos there. Last week, we talked to Kate about buyers. This week, we are going to pick her brain about sellers. So, we've received some questions from last week's video, and Kate is on the hot seat today, and she is going to answer some of those questions for us.
I'm
Are
ready.
you ready? All right. We'll try and take it easy on you. Okay, so the first question that we got is, I am currently selling my home. When do I cancel my insurance coverage?
Okay, so when you are selling your home, you want to cancel the coverage after the closing has gone through. It's frequent that closings can be pushed or delayed by a day. And the last thing you want to happen is to have already canceled that coverage and then, God forbid, something happened to the property. Canceling a homeowner's is such an easy process, and you're just going to reach out and let your agent know that the property is sold the day after, and they will go back to the day that it's sold and cancel the coverage effective then.
Okay, great. So you cash the check and then you call your insurance agent.
Exactly.
All right. So the next question that we have is, what happens if my home is listed for sale and I move out before the closing date? So either before it's listed or I just move out a week or two ahead of time. Do I need to call you? Do I need to do anything different with my insurance?
So once your home becomes vacant, you definitely want to reach out and talk to your insurance agent, and they'll walk you through the next steps. Insurance for a vacant property is very different than a homeowner's policy. Just like the coverage is different for a homeowner's policy, which is owner occupied, than it is for a rental property or a property you may have as an investment. So once your homeowners becomes vacant, you want to work with your agent, and they will discuss the timeline of how long it will be vacant for. And then if it's over a certain amount of days, they're going to rewrite the policy, take it off of a homeowner's policy into a vacant dwelling.
Hmm. Okay, that makes sense. So the next question that came in is, my home is listed for sale. What happens if during the showings either my property is damaged or if somebody gets injured while they're touring my property? Am I covered for that?
So this is definitely why you want to keep that coverage until the property is out of your name. If someone is injured at your property, and this is actually if you're still living there or in a situation like if it would be touring during an open house, your liability coverage will protect you. So if someone's injured on your property, and that can be from anything from a swimming pool accident or a slip and fall on an icy sidewalk, dog bites, or if they miss a step and twist an ankle, your insurance policy will cover the first amount of their medical payments. And then you fall back on your liability to either prevent a lawsuit or represent you should one arise. So that coverage will be on there if someone were to be at an open house and injured on your property.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for answering our viewers' questions. Do you have any last minute tips or any information that you'd like to share with our sellers here?
Selling a home is a long process that can certainly be helped with a terrific realtor such as yourself, but take advantage of your relationship with your insurance agent. It's also our job to guide you and to walk you through that, to take some of the pressure off of you and into our hands. So I would be following up with you, checking with you on, is your home on the market? Do you have a closing date? Is it under contract? Let me do the legwork for you to make it easier.
Wonderful, Kate. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Of course. Thank you.
How can our viewers get in touch with you?
Sure. So I'm located right here in Murraysville. My phone number is 724-575-7237. And I'm very active on social media. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram. On Facebook, I have a page for the agency, Ferry Dawson Insurance Group, but I also have a more personal page as an agent, Kate Dawson, Insurance Broker. I'd love to hear from you.
Great. Thanks again, Kate. All right, viewers, if you loved the content here, if you found it helpful at all, please share, like, comment. Let us know what questions you have, and we will do another follow-up video with that information. If you have any ideas for something else that you'd like to hear touched upon, please let us know, and we're happy to help. Have a great
Absolutely.
day.